Welcome to another video. So guys, we have to solve for the value of x in 4 to the x should be equals to 400. So in case you're watching us for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel, like it, share, and turn your notification on. Also remember to leave a comment. Straight away onto the solution part. I'll quickly straight away go to 4 raised to x. This is a question on exponents. So if the power or the exponent is unknown, I'm going to introduce the logs on both sides of the equation so that now everything becomes easier to approach. Recall that whenever you have the log of a raised to n, then this can be rewritten or re-expressed as n to the log of a. So applying that here, this now changes to x to the log 4 is now equals to the log 400 divided by the log 4, since I want x to be alone. So I'll divide all through by the log 4, so that now it implies that for me to find x, then this is equals to the log of 400, then now divide by the log of 4. So guys, kindly remember to watch up to the end. Give this video a thumbs up. Okay, let's continue. So at this stage, I'm gonna re-express 400. I know that 400 can be written as the product of 4 multiplied by 100. That's the simple part of it. So applying that, then x now is equals to the log of 4 multiplied by 100. I've just written it like that. Divide by the log of 4. And this implies that if you have the log of a multiplied by the product of b, then the law of exponents says that you're gonna just take the log of a plus the log of b. So meaning at this particular point, value of x now becomes the log 4, of course, plus the log 100. Since the denominator was 4, so I'm going to divide all through by log 4, then log 4, and simplifying further, the log 4 and the log 4 cancels, and then I have x now remains as 1 plus the log 100 divided by the log 4. It looks interesting. So guys, we are still, so let's find the factors of 100. And of course, I know that 100 can be written as 4 multiplied by 25, or this is just 2 raised to 2 multiplied by 5 raised to 2. So meaning that if I place it here, then value of x now becomes 1 plus the log, and I want to use this 2 squared multiplied by 5 to the 2 divided by the log, and of course this 4 I'll rewrite it as 2 squared. So re-expanding further, x now becomes 1 plus the log of 2 to the 2 plus the log of 5 power 2, of course, divided by the log of 2 squared divided by log of 2 squared. So the powers can come down according to this relationship. So it's gonna become as x now be equals to 1, of course, plus this is 2 to the log 2, so 2 to the log 2, divide by down also we have 2 to the log 2 plus 2 to the log 5 divide by 2 to the log 2. So it is clearly to see that this and this also similar, and it's gonna cancel, and of course x now becomes 1 plus this is also giving me another 1, and then plus at this stage it is clear to see that this and this gonna cancel, and then I'll end up with log 5 divided by the log 2, log 5 divided by log 2, which implies that my x value becomes 1 plus 1, you're gonna get 2, of course, plus the log of 5 divided by the log of 2. This can be further be written as, you want to recall that wherever you have the log of A divided by the log of B, then this can be written under a single log as the log of A to the base B, as that. So applying this in this equation, the value of x gonna be written as 2 plus the log of 5 to the base 2 as the required value of x for our equation, which was 4 to the power x is equals to 400. So let's go ahead and verify if indeed 4 to the x, should be equals to 400. So meaning that wherever I have x, I can substitute the whole of this. So 4 to the power 2 plus the log of 5 is 2 should give me 400. But recall that when you have a raised to m plus n, another law of exponent, then this is the same as writing a raised to m multiplied by a raised to n. So here we have 4 raised to 2 multiplied by 4 raised to the log of 5 raised 2 should give me 400. So guys, at this stage, kindly remember to like. If you haven't liked this far, give this video a thumbs, leave a nice comment, watch up to the end, and may God bless you. So this 4 to the 2, of course, that is 16 multiplied by, I want to write 4 as 2 to the power 2 for this case, so that I have 2 raised to the power 2 multiplied by the log 5 base 2 should now be equals to 400. This 2 can come above there, so I have 16 multiplied by 2 to the log 5 squared base 2 is equals to 400. Another law of exponent that I'm gonna use here, wherever I have a raised to the log of b base a, and it's clearly easy to see that a and a are the base, then this will automatically be written as b, since the base and the base cancels. Here I'm gonna have, so this and this disappears, and I'll remain with 16 multiplied by the 5 to the 2 should give me 400. 16 multiplied by 25 is also equals to 400. And guys, if you taking your calculator and punching 16 multiplied by 25, you're gonna end up with 400 is equals to 400. Hence our verification is indeed true that the value of x is 2 plus the log of 5 base 2. So guys, after watching up to this particular end, we have come to the end of this tutorial. I'm glad you've watched up to this far. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and leave a nice comment. Let's meet in the next one. Goodbye for now.